I forgot this film existed until someone reminded me there's a scene on the bus. People got their phones out to Leatherface. We start recording, it's like, "You gonna get cancelled, bruh. What are you gonna do about it? You can't do anything, you get cancelled, bruh." Like, what the fuck does that even mean for a chainsaw wielding maniac? This fucking scene, there we go.
Try anything, you cancel, bro.
Yeah, that's gonna stop him, isn't it? Some opinions on social media, that's gonna stop a chainsaw wielding maniac. I like those odds. Stupid fucking film.